Good evening, everyone. I am your inductive investigator, Laris Andre G. Manubay. Today, we will observe people often use their mobile phones before going to sleep. Observation 1. Before sleeping, I often use my mobile phone to scroll and watch videos until I fall asleep. Here is the example. Observation 2. My friends also spend their time on their mobile phones before going to sleep or until they fall asleep. Here is the example. Observation 3. When I asked my parents, they also admitted on using their mobile phones before going to sleep. Inductive conclusion. Based on my observations, most people probably use their mobile phones before going to sleep or until they fall asleep. This conclusion is weak because the sample size is small and not everyone is using their phone at night. That's all for today. Until next time!